Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the 12 inches high-pressure Rainfall Shower Heads with Handheld Spray Combo, a game-changer for your bathroom experience. This dual shower head system, finished in polished chrome, offers a 2024 upgrade with a unique splitter design that includes an extra extension arm, making it easier for everyone, including women and children, to access the handheld spray without lifting their arms. The handheld spray boasts 3+1 functions, including a powerful jet spray mode perfect for cleaning your bathtub or shower stall, and it's versatile enough for adult, baby, and pet showers. The 16-inch extension arm, crafted from high-quality brass, offers exceptional load-bearing capacity and flexibility, allowing for greater height and angle adjustments while ensuring stability with its locking gear design. Installation is a breeze, requiring no plumber, and each unit is rigorously tested to prevent leaks, though a wrench tool is recommended for tightening. PSYLC is committed to customer satisfaction, offering a lifetime warranty and free parts replacement, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. If you encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to assist, making this shower head combo a reliable and innovative addition to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.